Hello, people from the internet. My name is Mr. Pro Lee, and today we are going to learn about the criss-cross method, which is a way to factor a polynomial. Criss-cross methods are usually used for factoring quadratic functions and trinomials. If the function is ax squared plus bx plus 3, then this is applicable to the criss-cross method. First, we should find the two factors of the first term and write them under the a and as u and v. Then we look at the two factors and find of the third term c and write them under the c as y and z. Then we cross multiply these factors. Then we obtain u, z, and vy, which are the products, and add them. If the sum is the same as the second term b in the ax squared plus bx plus 3, then it satisfies the criss-cross method and we can factor the trinomial. If the sum is equals to b, then we can multiply x to u and v. Then the result of factoring is open parentheses ux plus y close parentheses vx plus z close parentheses. Y and z are the second term of the parentheses. Now we are going to demonstrate the criss-cross method with the two examples. First, we are going to demonstrate the criss-cross method with the quadratic polynomial x squared plus 2x plus 1. First of all, we should write down the factors of the first term x squared, which is 1 and 1. Then we write down the factors of the third term 1, which are 1 and 1 as well. Cross multiply and add them. Then 1 times 1 plus 1 times 1 is 2, which is the same as the second term 2. Therefore, it satisfies the criss-cross method and we can factor the polynomial. We can fill in the blanks of open parentheses ux plus y close the parentheses open parentheses vx plus z close parentheses. As a result, we get open parentheses x plus 1 close the parentheses and open parentheses x plus 1 close parentheses. However, this is not the final result. We can multiply them. In the end, we get open parentheses x plus 1 close the parentheses raised to the second power, which is the answer of the question. Second, we are going to interpret the criss-cross theorem with 8x squared plus 8x plus 2. The first thing you're going to do is to write down the factors of the first term 8x squared, which is 2 and 4. Then we write down the factors of the third term 2, which are 1 and 2. Cross multiply and add them. 2 times 2 plus 1 times 4 is 8, which is the same as the second term 8. Therefore, we factor the polynomial. Then we fill in the blanks of u open parentheses ux plus y close the parentheses open parentheses vx plus z close the parentheses. As a result, we get open parentheses 2x plus 1 close the parentheses open parentheses 4x plus 2 close the parentheses. In the end, this is the result. Notice that if we pay attention to the cross horizontally, there are two sets of numbers. Then we can multiply x to the first one and add the second one to the parentheses. There are two rows that you need to apply this suggestion. Therefore, this is another way to help you to remember the criss-cross method. The criss-cross method can be difficult in the beginning, especially when you want to find factors. But as long as you become proficient in finding the factors, it will be really easy and it will help you save a lot of time. I hope you guys learned something new today. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a like down below. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. This is Mr. Pro Lee.